lead, Bacalao. Jersey number 40, Valenciano. Jersey number 99, Cabaya. Jersey number 5, Gimao. Jersey number 2, Gonzal. Jersey number 11, Santos. Jersey number 26, Papaco. Jersey number 9, Emmanuel. Jersey number 1, Ronaldo. Head coach, Nick Astardi. With their assistant coaches, Alejandro Julio and Ed Castro. Once again, the SPIS Lightning Dragons. And now, the lineup of the IPSA Science. Starting off with jersey number 24, Olida. Jersey number 9, Borja. Jersey number 10, Mariani. Jersey number 4, Cesar. Jersey number 3, Santibanez. Jersey number 11, Moya. Jersey number 6, Asuncion. Jersey number 27, Tagahay. Jersey number 2, Dimano. Jersey number 21, Abate. Jersey number 31, Lempiado. Jersey number 0, Ibanez. Jersey number 7, Naz. And jersey number 1, Diones. With the head coach, Rodrigo Cavallo, and assistant coach, Ms. Joyce Mercado. Once again, let us welcome the lineup of the IPSA Science. Now we're all pitching in the referees. First referee, we have Aki Mazer, and second referee, Janito Benedales. Our game supervisors, we have Christopher P. Sotelo and Carlo E. Bergado. And our line judges for this match are from Fusion. Let's now have our action. Good luck on our both teams. Again, this is the 19 under boys championship game. Team captain of both teams. Jason Apple. Team captain of both teams. And David Yones.
Sabi ni Wayne, galagi, sabi ya. Line up there. Sabi nga ni
Three minutes warm up for the Flying Jackets, including service. And 3 minutes warm up for the Flying Jackets, including service.
Boarding na daw. Sabi Sir Herbert, nag-text sa GC. Nag-text sa GC ni Sir Herbert. Kuya Binjo, sir. Kuya Binjo. Boarding daw. I don't know. Line up daw eh. Sabi ni Sir Herbert. Ha?
Ayaw sa makinig, sir. Ayaw makinig.
Ganap ka, sir?
We will now continue our awarding ceremony for Fusion. Chefs 13 under. Calling the finals of World Watch. The finals champion, Regalado Jeremy Simon F. From Fusion, let's clap our hands to Regalado Jeremy Simon F. Congratulations!
Diba?
Time's up for the 9 judges. 9 judges from UJET. 9 judges from UJET. Please approach the first judge. Board 1. Girls 13 under. Again, board 1, girls 13 under. First runner-up from Fusion, we have Siren H. B. Cavallo. Congratulations. Paging, it's the set documentation, it's the set from the juror. Kailangan tayo dito sa stage. Paging Mamchi now, you need one photo during here for documentation.
Next we have board number 2, second runner-up. Girls 13 under. Julia Isabella B. Salarina from FGPIS. Congratulations. From board number 3, girls 13 under. Champion Sakina Bella E. Sadiq, FGPIS. Congratulations.
Board 4. Board 4. First runner-up, we have Reese Christian Frances C. Palu. Again, from Fusion. Congratulations. Hands up for
Dapat tayo mag-treat ako.
Chess Association Andrew.
Baka meron pa rin.
Second runner-up, board 9, boys, Yusef D. Enriquez from Fusion.
Board 3. First runner-up, we have Muhammad Alida El Lukman. Again from Fusion. Congratulations.
Again from FGEIS. Congratulations.
Board 2. Champion. We have Nika Randy Ray S. Garcia. Board 2. Champion. Nika Ramini R. and Ray S. Garcia from Fusion. Congratulations.
second runner-up, fourth to number 2, Julia Karen Marie Echevarria, FG Pilots.
Rated E, ladies and gentlemen, the team champion in chess, girls category 1300. We have the Future Generation Philippine International School. Let's clap our hands to Fusion. Congratulations. Closer. That's it.
Zero C, boys category. We have first runner-up, Dan Aaron Espagulayan. Once again from
Oh no, yes. We barking. Singles B, girls, second runner-up. We have Roshni, Tony, at Banlo. Closer. Closer.
we will have a seat to Tino Penix. First runner-up, we have Sean Leon M. Yoga.
With Piano. Yes, on the 39.
Next, singles B, boys. First runner-up, congratulations, Johan and Nabay. we have Roger Acosta and Disney Ellie Figueroa.
And now, may we have the plan of participation with future generation congratulations to Blue Jays. 4-6-1. Rebound reserve. Yes. Puerto Rico, Little Cesars, and Alexandria schools. As a to serve. Pass. To Tito. Santos will serve for the Dragons. Santos Maya. What is that? It's a mirror or the flying dragons. Dimana will serve. Dimana. Tidak. Ocampo. Pasok kaya lang Nas. Serve. Substitution 27 in, pull it out, give it a serve, for the Dragons. Look, nice, get it off, Dimana is out. Point for the side. Chance ball, Ocampo. Chanel said it. Drop on the sides. Abante will serve it. Abante, Diablo is there. Someone else set it. Ocampo calls it back. Now split it up. John is up. Score 11-19. On the set. Abante will
Volleyball players of Commonwealth International School and coaches of Commonwealth International School, please be ready for the awarding ceremony. Commonwealth International School.
Abante for the service. Jose Ibanez. Ang mga para el winner pass put it up. Jonas Chancellor. Daniel said for Ocampo on his block. Nice.
Board number 4. Boys 30U. Champion. Bernardine Estivus Line. PCIS.
Ocampo again. It's your last final for the set. Ilapin will serve. Ilapin for the there has Ibanez to the net ball out of the net. And now it's a free. Set point for the Flying Giants. Yes, put it up, Ibanez. Over there, Santos. And now, there, Jonas.
And Amira PPC Redondo from PCIS.
Again, reminders, spectators, dyan change point po, no running. Wala rin nagdadaan sa bleachers to crosswalk. For the safety of everybody. Thank you.
We will now proceed to table tennis. 13 under doubles mixed category. First, runner-up, Prince Rain Aldo Hikunay and Leovi Gabriel Dicioso from PCIS. Once again, congratulations.
Mas plus dyan.
Table
Once again, table tennis 13 under, mixed doubles. Prince Rain Aldo Picunan and Cleobi Gabriel Bicioso from PCIS.
Next, table tennis, 18 under. Category, girls, champion from PCIS. We have Ray Therese Artates. Congratulations.
R5 po for both teams. Thank you, Coach.
We'll now proceed to basketball event. 13 under, champion. We have PCIS.
Ipsa Science R5 po, R5. Spectators, baka po may nakita kayong color black na whistle. Kindly return it here po sa tech committee. Again, baka po may nakita kayong black na whistle. Kindly return it here sa tech committee. Thank you. And we'll start the set 2.
And of course, 13 under, Mythical 5 for the 10 Philippine International Schools Athletic Meet. We have from PCIS, Brandon Edre E. Bannon. And this year's MVP, Mythical 5, Mofala S. Datu. Our MVP. Once again, we have Mofala S. Datu. Congratulations.
Po, nabakakapalok. Nas again on the service. Nas. Santos return it. Evaluate there. Nas set it for Cesar. point. Bola. Abante, return it.
All PCIS delegates, kindly join the rest for the photo op. At this juncture, we now award the plaque of participation to Conquest International School as they participate in the 10th Philippine International Schools Athletic Meet 2025.
Congratulations and see you next year.
Santos again. Puso. Again, first Augusta with a Santos. Giannis. Give it back. Can Jose Polanco. 4-1. Santos take out. This time, or the Dragons. Cesar will serve. Cesar, the couple is there. Tanael sets it for Bauzon, but it's long. Out time. Cesar. Cesar reaches. Santos is there. Tanael sends the alpha. But now is there. Santos here. Jonas with a kick. Cesar goes back to the line to serve. Cesar for the Science. Guido will serve for the SPRS substitution. Guido. Substitution. Even in, 2 out. Guido will serve. Good ball. Service error for the Dragons. Abante will serve. Abante. Pinapos there. Camille sets it for Campo. Pero mababa. Point for the Science. Abante will go back to the line. Good ball. Oh, Campo. And their Campo. Abante will carry the ball. Miles is there. Cesar. Good ball. Camille sets it. Abante will serve. Side 6. Abante will serve. Santos. And they'll put it up. Ocampo. Naz is there. Limpiado. Put it up. Jonas will attack. And it was blocked. Hanover. 4 punches for the side. It's in. Service ace for Ocampo. Ocampo will go back to the line. So Moyo's there.
Table tennis, 13 under. Doubles. Mix. First runner-up, we have Prince Ray Aldo P. Punoy and Chloe Gabriel B. Sioso from PCRS.
Ocampo will serve. Cesar. And is there. Moyo will return it. Ball. Tanayan. Jonas. Block. Ibanez. 12 touches. Science. Ocampo again will serve. Ocampo.
That time off is brought to you by Royal Cuisine, Tamimi Group, Aquafina, Gatorade, MPG, Philippine Airlines, Garcia Medical Center, and Tiba.
Score is 11-7 in favor of the SPIS Flying Giants. Substitution for Science. 10 in, 0 out. Ocampo still on the serving line. Ocampo. Cesar is there. It's a service ace for Ocampo. Ocampo again. Ocampo. Moya. And it doesn't
Ingat po sa biyahe.
Moya. Cesar is there. Nas. Chance ball. Tanayo set it for Ocampo. Ocampo stop. Out. So there it is for Ocampo. Yonis will serve for the Science. No for the Science. The ball will go back to the Flying Giants. Pilapel for the serve. Yep, Cesar again. Naz, put it up, Limpiado. Santos, Ocampo's there. Moya, Naz set it again. This time for Yanni. Receive by Santos. Pilapel. Santos again. Anael. Pilapel will serve. Moya. Yones put it off. Nas gives it back. Santos again. Tanael. The point goes to the Flying Giants. Pilapel still on serving line. Pilapel, Moya's there. Nas put it up, Limpiado. Mababa, Papalo. Scores 78. Our championship game. Volleyball under 19 boys. Close timeout for the Science for this set. Pilapel. Limpiado. It's out. Pilapil still on the line. Timano. Nas put it up. Maliari, that's 2 straight. 21 will go back for the Science. Bola. Pilapil. Still on the serving line. Pilapil, Moyo's there. Nas put it up. Ibanez will try, but it's out. Beats all. Score 21-8. Pilapil still on the line. Diones, Limpiado, Ocampo, Santos drops the ball, but it's still alive. Panael, Ibanez, Naz, Santos there, Chambo, Naz there, Ibanez, Santos, Panael, return the ball. Ibanez again. Santos. Set it again for Panael. And the ball goes to the Flying Dragons. Moya. Nash returning. Santos, Panael, return the ball. Nas, put it up. Jonas will try it. But it's long. Pilapil will serve. Dimano, Nas. Jonas, chance ball. Pilapil. Guido. Ocampo will return it. Dimano, Nas, put it up. Ibanez will try. Santos. Cesar. Ocampo again will try. Score 24-8. For the Flying Dragons. Dimano, Nas. That's the end of the second set.
The 10th song would like to thank the following: Romeo Cristina, Kawini Group, Philippine Airlines, MBG, Aquafina, Gatorade, Future Business and Technology Institute of Higher Training, Garcia Medical Center, Jollibee, Trophy, Golf, and Gina Scaparino.
Champion of the game in favor of the SPRS Flying Dragons. Mahiti daw po. Mahiti ang first time.
Mahiti, Colin, Mahiti. Mahiti. Dennis Juniors, MPH. Mahiti. KG Mahidi. KG Mahidi.
Bridging the house from Amis. Nothing.
Pwede ba dumaan dito?
That's service error for the defense. Service is for Nas. still trying to get the ball there. Awesome. Jonas. Number 10 will play it out. Really good. Nice. That's good. Jonas on ball. Jonas will serve. Substitution. Santi Rames in 24 hours. Service error for the Nuggets. Abante will try on service line. Abante. Abante, put it up. Tricky. Ball purpose. Abante again. Nice. Started. Holding on up. But ball purpose there. Tricky. On the jump. Nice. Mid-kick over. Lopez again. Now sends it. Behind the little guy on the ball. On the front. Score 64. Lopez will serve. On the front. Going over there. Nice. Put it up. Moya. You get it right. So reserve. 3 minutes. Substitution. Gordon goes in. Point goes to the side again. Dimano still on service. Dimano goes to service there. Number 30 put it up.
Oh, Ma'am Vina! I love you, Ma'am Vina! Guys, say hi to Ma'am Vina! I'm sorry, no. Ikaw, tama na. Enough, go around, man. Enough for him.
Please your patience with the Giants. Santibanez. Sabat. Continuing to hit. Master it up. Goes for power. Not there. Imano. Florida. Cesar. Imano. Lopez will serve. And the Lakers. Lopez. Put it up. Nas. Jonas. Round set 3 of our championship game. Lopez will serve for the Flying Giants. Ready for 9. Set point for the Giants. For the Giants. Start of the set number 4. National serve for the Science. Pilapil was there. Will receive it. Dimano was there. Santos. Ocampo. Stadium. They were not able to first block for the Dragons. For the Santos. Santos will serve. Ibanez, Jonas for a point. Ibanez will serve for the Science. Ibanez. Service there. Service is for Dimano. The Pilapil there. Another service is for Dimano. 3-1 on score. Pilapil serve for the Science. Tanay sets it for Ocampo. That's a point for the Giants. Dito will serve. Dito, service miss. For the Giants. 3-all on score. Will try Matos there, not split it up. Jonas. That's a success for the Science. 4-3 and score. About the Science reserve. Abate. That's so reserve for the Science. Ocampo on the line. Ocampo, shot serve. The service is for Ocampo. Set for Jonas. Tanael returning. Ocampo again. That's an error for the Giants. Score is 6-5. Jonas will serve. Pilato was there. Santos. Nas put it up. Ibanez will try. That's out. Who's wrong for the Sirens? Pilato will serve for the Dragons. Pilato. Nas. Put it up. Anael tries it. Pilato will go back to the line. Pilato, Dimano there, Nance put it up. Ibanez. Santos sets it for Tanael. Tanael. Bitin. Palo. Pilato will go back to the serving line. Pilato. Moya was there. Nas put it up. Ibanez will try again. Then Pilato was there. Santos. Ocampo will try. Moya was there. Nas put it up. Ibanez. Guido was there. Sends it up to Tanael. Tanael, Moya. Nas. Get it back again. Double touch for Guido. Ibanez. Pilato. Santos put it up. Ocampo. Limpiado was there. Nas put it up. Dimano will try. Guido was there. Tanael. Ocampo will bring the ball back. Tries Dimano again. And it's a point for the Sirens. Ibanez on the service. Ibanez. Pilato is there. Santos put it up. Tanael returns the ball. Limpiado. Nas on floor. Dimano again. Tanael. Moya. Dimano tries it. And the ball goes to the Dragons. Nance put it up. Dimano will try, but Tanael saves it. Nance. Jonas will try. But the Ocampo was there for the reach. Score 8-9. Limpiado will serve for the Science. That's a sharp serve. Tanael put it up. Ocampo. Limpiado. Nas sets it for Abate. Abate. Save. Limpiado again on the service. Limpiado. Santos is there. Tanael drop. And it's a success. Jonas. Nas put it up. Dimano. Madalangan. Santos. Guido will try. Moya. Nas again. Dimano tries it. But Ocampo is there. Tanael. Pilato. Nas once more. Moya. Di maano. And that's out. Too strong for the Science. Score 12-9. And Canal is back on the field. That's out. So it's out for the Dragons. Nazul return to the serving line. Nice. Good go. Pilapel was there. Panael returns the ball. Nice again. Dimano. Nabasa against Panael. Point. The point goes to the Science. Nice and serve. Nice. Apollo zero. Service leads for Naz. Naz goes back to the line. 12 apiece. No score for set 4. Naz on one. Montenegro, service ace. Flying Dragons. Canal serve it for Ocampo. Ocampo tries it, but not just there. Bate. Dimano. Out goes to the Dragons. 13 on. Santos will serve. Second error for the Dragons. The ball goes back to the Science. Dimano will serve. Dimano, that's a sharp serve. Panael serves it. Ocampo was there. And floating all. Guido will serve. Guido. Moya. Nazul put it up. Ibanez will try. But Sanchez is there. Panael sets it for Ocampo. Ocampo. Ball still alive. Guido. Moya. Jonas. Mababa ang palo. Guido will try once more at the service. Guido. Jonas. Ibanez will try, but Guido is there. Santos. Panael will return the ball. Chance ball. Jonas once more. Gatala was there to save it. Nazul put it up once more for Ibanez. Point goes to the Dragons. Guido once more. Ibanez was there. Dionis was there to save it. Tanael sets it for a combo. A combo tries it, but Naz was there. Ibanez. Pilapi was there. Tanael sets it again for Ocampo. Ocampo tries one more, but Ibanez saves it. Ibanez. It's low for the Science. Guido. Dionis was there. Naz. Ibanez. Lawrence a block. Lawrence. Abanda will serve for the Science. Abanda, Pilato was there. Tanael, save. Abanda. Jones is this time is able to take it. Abanda goes back to the service. Abante. Guido was there. Tanael put it up. Ocampo. Save for the Giants. Limpiado. Next returns the ball. Giants ball. Ocampo is there. Tanael returns the ball. Score 20-16. Ocampo will serve. Tanael Giants. PIS Flying Dragons. We're on the set 4 of the championship game for the under-19 volleyball boys. Ocampo will serve. Ocampo. Moyer's there. Nice. Ibanez. Tanael returns the ball. Limpiado. The point goes to the Science. Giannis will serve for the Science. Giannis. Ocampo there. Services for the Science. Giannis once more. Giannis. Santos is there. Tanael. Sets it for Ocampo. Becky Valles was there to save it. Naz put it up. Tanael once more. Pilato, chance ball. Limpiado. Naz. Ibanez will try. Tanael. Ocampo again. Becky was there. Naz. Ibanez once more. It's Santos saves it. Tanael returns the ball. Giannis. Moya. Limpiado is there. Tanael. Returns the ball. Ilapi. Moyo's there. Naz. Limpiado wants to... Santos. Was it up? Tanel returns the ball. Dimano's there. Ibanez. Moya. Santos. Again. Naz. Ibanez once more. Score 21-19. Ibanez will serve for the Science. Ocampo. Science there. Ocampo returns it. Naso set it. Dimano. Another one for Philip. Dimano. Ibanez will go back to the line. Score 21-20. Ibanez. That's outside. So it's 22-20. And they are the SBIS Flying Dragons. Jones there, Naz. Dimano. We're on the fourth set. 2-1 in favor of the SPIS Flying Dragons. Tanel will serve. For the distance. Jones is there, Naz. Dimano will try, but it's blocked. Naz on top. The saves by Ocampo. Tanel returns it. Naz on top. Score 24-20. Match point for the SPIS Flying Dragons. Naz. Dimano will try it. A point by Dimano. For 21 match point for the SPIS. Limpiado will serve. Limpiado side serve. The number is there. Ocampo returns the ball. Naz. Abante. Dimano. Tanel serves it. And that's out. SPIS still in match point. Limpiado will serve. Limpiado shall serve. Tanel, Ocampo will return it. Abate, Ibanez, Dimano. Turn around once more. Okabucha! Is the SPIS Lion Dragons! The seven-time champion for the volleyball boys is the SPIS Lion Dragons! And that's the wrap for our Bison X. Ma'am Jane, floor is yours. Thank you.
Song is brought to you by Royal Kusina, Kamimi Group, Aquafina, Gatorade, MBG, Philippine Airlines, Future Business and Technology Institute on Higher Training, Bar Estila Medical Center, PIVA, SBG, Boba Tea, Jollibee, Shopee, Kape Favorito, Little Caesars,